how to select and delete multiple files in Google Drive. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Google Drive application on your device. And if you have got multiple accounts, you need to switch to the account in which you want to delete the files. Soon after switching, you will be able to see the home page of Google Drive. So for deleting the multiple files, you can simply press and hold the file, and you can select the other files also. After selecting, you will be able to see the various settings in the right upper side. Among them, you have to click on the delete option, and Google Drive will ask you to move the files to the trash. You can simply go for move to trash, and by doing that, the item will be moved to trash and it will be deleted permanently after 30 days. So this is how you select and delete multiple files in Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.